let me show you how to change the recording resolution and also quality on your dashcam. So if your dashcam looks like this, as you see, you have these buttons, and all you have to do is you simply press and hold this M button. So this one, press and hold for a few seconds. By the way, also, if it doesn't work, also make sure you're actually not recording currently. So if you have a video recording, you won't be able to actually press it. So then you see you have the first option here, resolution. We can simply apply this basically with this power button to enter this menu and then cycle using these two buttons here. So you see you can drop down the quality. So by default it's actually a bit more than Full HD. But if you want to maybe save even space, so you can even like drop it to 720p essentially. And yeah, basically at this quality, I think you can even get away with 720p actually on this dashcam, since the quality obviously isn't the most premium on them, and yeah, it won't really affect, and your file size will be actually better. So yeah, to confirm again, simply press with this one and then go back, yeah, basically with this button, and you see you have your new resolution on the camera. Okay, good luck.